Jatend migao mar Omenda John Mbadi ochopo e nyim komiti mar Senate mondo mi oduok penjo e wi chal mar ochumi ma pacho ka. E kinde twagno, komitino bende oketo Mbadi orindi maliet mondo olerie midhiero manyalo juko piny Kenya kod kaka inyalo kony pek ma okel kod okang' mar piny Amerka chungo sir mar omenda ma yande gichiwo kokalo e chenro mag USAID.
Now, the amount for the said programs is approximately the program that I highlighted: food, governance, and education. The said programs is approximately $158.9 million US dollars, equivalent of about 20 billion Kenya shillings, while the total assistance, including health and the others, is approximately US dollars 405.4 million, which is about Kenya shillings 52 billion. For the financial year 24-25, from USAID, which, as I've indicated, includes other sectors such as health, economic growth, water, and environment. Now, Honorable Speaker, it's important to note that while official government assistance, or what is known as ODA, from USAID is aligned to our medium-term plan and supplement government investments and largely benefits the people of Kenya, USAID contracts implementing partners, that is both international and local, are entities who bear fiduciary responsibility, because this funding is implemented by implementing partners. The money, as I will state, does not come to our budget.